What is
Lupig
this?
ko,
Can I
lupig ko
smoke?
kininglishan
Can I
niya.
do this? Can I smoke
Yeah, ginamos. Try.
Yeah, right.
Uwi. Finish that.
I can't.
Finish.
No,
Why? It's good. Ginamos. Lami ka.
it's stinging. It's like, I'm on. Can I eat?
Yeah, that's it.
Huh?
Yeah. Praise, ha?
You want to pray? You pray?
It's not, you and me.
Me.
Okay, pray yan.
Don't look at the
Ang
phone.
taghan na.
What?
Tagali. Basta say, pray.
I can hear you.
Amen. Let's eat, guys. Bagtak sa manok. Adidas. Tayo si Afam. Kain ng chicken feet.
Chicken feet, my favorite.
I want to
Here, mommy, you want to get this for him?
get some.
You can.
Me.
All right.
Only me.
Okay. Let me get it. Okay, good.
This is pagpay
Sauce
gani
is
na.
so delicious.
Di ako, babe.
Mm.
Bagtak sa manok.
Mm.
Ilagay. How's the
Love
taste?
it. Love it.
Ang sibad po.
Cheers.
Kami? Sa akin, ano to, bulalo.
Outstanding.
Beef bulalo. Lami? Taste manok?
Oh, manok.
Masarap.
Ayan guys, oh. Yung luto.
Napi ang
Adobong bagtak sa manok. Chicken feet.
Take the knuckle.
What?
Asan na ako?
Serious? That's food sound.
Hmm?
Serious.
It's
Oh.
you. It's you, Joe.
Kano kan? Di magdula.
It's you.
The sauce is so good.
Hindi pag inuwi po liyan, uwi makita. Naunta guys. Favorite ni ni husband ko yung chicken feet. Adidas man siguro to sa Tagalog. Chicken feet.
Cheers. Cheers.
Ito. Ayaw kong kumain ng ganyan. O, kain. Before guys, kain man ako. Pero ngayon ayaw ko nang kumain. Ay, balik ya. Uwi, magkakalian. Tulong sabaw? Tulukan na, tulukan na.
Sabaw? Sabaw, Mami?
Hindi usikan.
Tomorrow.
Good.
That's very good.
Have miss me? Dirty. Okay. Your mouth.
That's all part of it.
Okay.
Don't touch my chicken feet.
I didn't touch your chicken feet.
May ginamos din ako.
Hey, yeah, can you touch it?
Mahilig siya sa manok. Sa
Ano?
bagtak. Bagtak sa manok. Name is bagtak sa manok. Uy, bagtak.
Back
They want my
Manok?
chicken. You eat it today. You eat my
It's
chicken.
just gonna get messy again.
Look,
Put it on mistake.
listen. Eat
What's
it.
your harvest name?
Yes, Mamacita.
And guys, nag-live ako. Para maipost ko din sa YouTube channel ko ba? Kaya nag-live ako. Ano? Yan, nagtawaran. Ano?
Yeah. You can't eat and laugh at the same time.
Hindi lahat kumain, yung mga afam. Mostly, pinakaaya nila yung chicken feet.
Fine. Don't judge me. Mm. Eat your own chicken feet.
Yan. Tama.
Don't have a chicken fight.
What chicken fight?
Yeah.
Chicken feet? Chicken fight.
This is the loser. This is a feat from a chicken fight. They lost the fight.
Dili magdulo. Ani? Yan, yung doktor na yung ulo. Don't play.
Why? What? I had a knuckle.
Yan, seryoso kaon.
You got rice on your chin.
Huh?
And you're messy.
More. Kawahol. Wala.
Stop it.
Give me water, please. Water, please.
Yes, Mom, sir.
Mamacita. Say mamacita. Mamacita.
Panak, dili ko na.
I'm sure what's one hot coat.
Hot. Not hot, not
That's
hot.
your water.
This is not water, this is puting.
There's water in it.
Where's it?
May glass diya.
Huh?
May glass diya.
Hi, Mommy.
Game away, honey.
Mommy, Sita.
Thank you.
Daddy, Sita. Daddy, Sita.
Seryoso na.
Huh?
Kit-kit. Balog kit-kit sa apa. Kit-kit pa more.
More.
Kit-kit pa more. Bagtak sa manok.
Teacher, where what look and the That's.
I need more rice. More rice.
Hello, Ling and family. God bless. Good evening. Hello, Lian. Lian Kiam ko. Same ka ng pangalan ni Lian. Same ka ng pangalan na? Lian.
Okay, she can walk there. Look, she can
Lian
walk
man si
there.
Lian. Lian.
Look
Same.
at chicken it's
Kain po
walking.
tayo.
Look at chicken it's
Hello,
walking.
Come on.
Geraldine. Tidios Cervantes. Hello, good evening. Kain po tayo, guys.
Look, she walking.
Good evening, good evening, sis.
Yeah,
Lumaya sa Tor.
baby.
Sa Tor Villarta. Hello. Hello, sis. Kain tayo. Hey, seryoso ba?
Come on, man.
Ano na ako? Si On, dito ka na yung bugan ron.
Agay, ayaw mo.
Kaunay ka niya.
Tama, ang hulog.
Karong ni kaon. Sorry, karong. Kano diya?
Ay.
Ano yung-
What?
Put your garbage here, oh. So your face
Where's
not missy.
Mamacita.
Doha juga bukod kapanan rin. Doha ka buk bata na ko rin kahit ulo.
Call her Mamacita. Mamacita.
What is mamasita?
Mommy.
Mamisita? Okay, call me mamisita.
Daddy Sita. Daddy Sita.
Mamacita.
Ha?
Daddy Sita. Oh, that's
So, if-
Mama Sita.
Honey, look at you, your dad is ito.
Okay.
Same to you, sis. Pretty.
What are you doing?
Maya Satori. Parang bukong. Oh, ba, gara, juga ko kasi anjo ti ka ng kilid ron. Gara ka ayo. Nagkaon ba ya? Seryoso daw na? Live na, this is live. No edit.
Oh, you want to stop eating?
No, it's not. This serious eating.
Okay, okay.
Cheers.
Okay.
Red horse.
Paano ba na ba?
Some red horse?
Hindi na kapayat ng live, guys. Kapag live, walang edit pa rin. Ikaw.
Okay, Mama Dad.
Di makapangasaba, di makapangkusi.
I can't tell if it's San Miguel or red horse.
Oh, babi seryoso. Dapat din silver.
You like it?
But it's expensive.
Really good, right?
So, one pack, how much?
160.
160 or 1,600?
No, one pack.
One kilo.
160. One drink. It's 160 pesos. Are you
So,
lucky? Huh?
if you can afford it, I will drink.
You
I
like
like
it?
it, yeah.
I think we waited 3 weeks to try it. Huh? Why?
I want to gain weight.
Do it.
To get 5,000.
Do
Oh,
it.
stinky. Okay, it's
Eat.
broken.
Eat and sleep.
As usual.
Poop and
That's
pee.
only my,
And poop and pee.
that's only my job. Eat and sleep.
And poop and pee.
I'm going now.
Thank you, sis. Kain tayo.
Eat and
Cute
pee.
daw kayo yan. Cute na kulit. Sobrang kulit, guys. Putlo po ng isa. Kulit. Pares ang doon. Makulit. Hindi pa kugon.
I like the oyster sauce.
Okay, tattoo it.
Oh, ini yan.
Red horse?
Honey. Nak, seryoso nak ha?
Good.
So, be manok. So, manok.
Maserap.
It's not funny, Lian.
Lamit.
What's funny?
Lamit in Bisaya. Maserap. Is this Tagalog chicken or just Bisaya chicken?
What's Tagalog chicken?
Is it from
Native chicken?
Manila or is it from Cebu?
Na, meron palang chicken pa Manilaan from Cebu. It's not native.
This tastes like Manila chicken. Manila.
Because it's not
So it's
native chicken.
Maserap.
So from Cebu, it's not masarap.
No.
Native chicken. It's not native chicken. Because native chicken, tawagin natin Bisayang manok. Gagala niya. Tagalog manok to kasi hindi siya native chicken. Tagalog from Manila.
This one lost a fight.
Lobster pie?
Mm-hmm.
Lobster and dog?
Sure sis, mamaya after namin mag dinner. After live.
This is a rooster. This isn't a chicken.
Of course, it's not roasted on it. Roasted is so hard.
Huh? Not the feet.
No, the roasted is so hard.
No.
Well, you try?
Yeah.
Really?
And a rooster from Manila.
Akin ginamos. Hindi mawala sa akong ginamos or bulan, guys.
Hey,
Kaya-
you're getting it all over the table.
Nagka-UTI ako.
Getting it all over the table.
Na, seryoso na. Naglugaw na kali sa table.
This is so
Can you
good.
get,
Better than
napkin, please?
crabs.
Napkin.
I don't napkin.
Because napkin in Bisaya.
I need a napkin to get you.
No. Napkin in Bisaya is the pad for
What?
Lapad.
Lapad?
Lapad.
Lapad?
Pad for period. Napkin. That's in
What do you
Bisaya.
call this?
For dog. For
Tissue.
mommy.
But tissue is for bathroom, not for what's this?
That's tissue.
Paper towel. Where's paper towel? Not
Paper
tissue.
towel.
Because tissue is for bathroom. This paper towel.
Whatever.
Whatever.
Fly fish. Fly fish. There's a fly fish, mommy.
Hello, Jocelyn Abelia. Shoutout from Batangas. Hello po. Good evening. Kain tayo. Chicken feet.
Hi, jump on.
Si Jampol. Tito Jampol, ni mo? Na, hi, Ate Beth. Hi, Ate Beth.
Hi, get to jump on.
I know.
Na, hi, Ate Beth.
Hi, get to jump on.
This is the best chicken feet I've had all day.
Suga kayong ko ang bagtak eh.
I love it.
Ang lakas mo kumain ng bagtak sa manok.
What's up sa manok?
I like it.
We're not gonna love it.
Hey, but that I love it.
Maragon eh. Ito na siguro yung afam na mahilig talaga sa chicken feet, guys.
I love you. I love Leon. I love chicken feet. In that order.
That's really your favorite or oysters or what?
No,
Your
the
favorite
scallops
food?
was my
Scallop?
favorite. And then this
Scallop
the
then.
scallops we you made the other night was good.
Yeah,
I
I like
get
that.
to jump on.
Then,
Baked scallops.
next.
To
Chicken
jump on.
Chicken
Ali,
feet.
kaun ang tet to manok jump
You
on.
can make that again.
Kaun manok dili.
You can make that again, scallop.
Yeah.
Kaun dili jump on ha, ali dili. Kaya ang sa tribut turok ka.
Oh my.
Oh yeah.
I don't want to waste any. I want every morsel. Let me eat the bone.
I really like this.
What time you tried it?
Manok.
How much is the box? I mean the container with the big
4,700.
4,700.
700.
Good for how many kilo?
I don't know. It's a big container.
Yeah, I remember that.
You do?
Yeah.
You went to the health food store?
Yeah, it was there. Way back 2019.
Sure.
2020,
Didn't
19.
know the price.
But before it's different price. Now it's different price.
Okay.
Father Rian.
Is it protein?
Yeah. But one time only. Because expensive, can't afford.
You have monkey ears, Daddy.
Hmm?
You have monkey ears. I see that.
What?
I see a small monkey ears.
I don't have a monkey in my ears.
It's raining. It's going.
Come here.
in my ear.
Live yan!
No.
This is live! Ito, look at him na.
Now he's copying me. Don't copy me. Look at what he's doing. Hmm? Don't put it in your ear. Don't.
Maka-high blood man yung duha, guys. Okay, pang
Don't put it in your ear.
Snake is coming.
Yan.
Let me pull it out of your ear. Let me pull it through.
Here's the snake.
Now that's a rooster. Look at this one. Look at this one. That's
What?
a rooster. That's a rooster from Manila. This is a Maserati
This is a manok and bilang.
rooster feet.
Yan. Finish na, finish. Finish na. Cover your mouth.
Aren't you selling the Jollibees?
Sorry, cover your mouth,
I
mommy.
don't know why you know chicken feet in Jollibee. Ask them, not me.
No, they got chicken. If they're chicken, they got the feet.
I get
Finish na diya ba?
the daddy chicken. I got the daddy chicken, daddy. No, this daddy chicken.
We should have a lot of feet because they got a lot of chicken.
Look, this mama chicken.
And there is chicken without feet.
I don't know.
I like
Let me. Let me. Let me.
a baby chicken. Look.
Like the protein shake.
Hmm?
You like the protein shakes?
Yeah, I like it because expensive.
You're worth it. You're worth it.
I'm worth it. Yan!
200 pesos.
Pussy.
200 pesos just for one glass. Na, kung gunting rot, kung ko kayo mong kamotron, garag kaon, gana tiya kaon.
Come on.
Honey, you.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Garap na kayo.
Uy, sorry, boy.
Meron, nakalive ako.
Look, snake ate me.
Wow, this one is like full
Look,
of.
snake ate me.
I didn't, chicken feet is
Hmm?
good for, that,
Good for sex.
gilati, oh no, what's that? Forgot.
It's like eating oysters.
That's in your mind only.
Snake.
Gelatin, gelatin, ito eh.
Gelatin.
No, it's not. In my mind, but I forgot.
Gelatin?
I don't know.
Gelatin?
No.
I think it's gelatin.
I don't know. I forgot.
That one. That's a teenager.
Bulalo ako ah.
That's a teenager one.
Ito yung bulalo. Beef bulalo.
Hmm?
I love beef bulalo.
Do you?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I like.
Look, so cute, Daddy.
Swimming pool ka tomorrow na?
Huh?
I need to bring
Hmm?
your clothes for swimming. Tomorrow there. Maybe he wants to go swimming.
Yeah.
Dinosaurs being
There's a
stuck.
pool there.
Dinosaurs
You've
being
seen it.
stuck.
So, how many corners will go?
Probably 10 corners.
They're single? Or all
I
taken?
think some of them are single. Why do you want to know? Am I going to trade me in? I'm gonna trade- Huh?
I'm curious. Tomorrow may ano sila guys ba? May
Ano,
party.
training yun?
May party sila
Ha?
bukas na mga foreigners.
There's a guy named Fabio. Single. He's
Single?
He's
How
a
old?
movie star. 33.
Oh, yeah, 23. He's so young. So they told me. I've never seen. I don't see him yet.
You will.
He's tall.
I think he's a virgin.
He's tall.
Yeah.
How about you? You're the tallest among
I know. He's taller than me.
You're the tallest of your family.
Mhm. Taller than me.
He's taller than you.
Yeah. Get it! What do you want?
Ang live ba guys? Ay, yung iPhone guys. Kung mag-live, wala man siya pang filter na wapata. Wala siya filter. Hadap kita to blokon para sa filter ba? Mapramaganda ng panit lang. Klaro yung malisma ko. There's no filter.
What's that
I
mean?
eat the baby chicken.
I don't know. It's social media talk. I don't know what it means.
Sarap naman ng ulam ng liantot. Bagtak sa manok.
Look, a mommy chicken.
Sila lang daw kumain.
Look, mommy, see mommy chicken. Look, mommy chicken.
Lian ba, oy?
Look more chicken there. Look more chicken. It's so cute then.
What is
Lupig
this,
ko,
can I
lupig ko in-English niya.
Can I spoon?
Yeah, ginamos. Try.
Yeah, right.
Ay,
Uwi. Finish that.
I can't.
Finish.
No,
Why? It's good. Ginamos. Lumi ka.
it's stinging. I'm on. Can't share the chicken feet with them. You want some chicken feet?
Speak Bisaya.
More and more.
Kaon, bagtak manok.
Kaon,
Kaon.
bakbak manok.
kaon
Naka,
ka, guys. Oh, kaon. Oh,
like
oh.
this. Kaon mo, bagtak manok.
Kaon, bakak manok.
Sungitan di ka, guys. Sungitan.
Is
Sungitan.
Did I say it right?
Kaon di ka,
Kaon,
ha?
Hilang ka na.
Kaon,
Kaon mo,
kaon mo,
bagtak sa
manok.
manok. Sa manok.
Sa manok.
Kaon mo, bagtak sa manok. Kaon na. Dali, balik sa imong pala na. Kadi ka makita.
I'm not sharing it with them.
Talkative ka ayo siya mamili. Klaro, ana.
I don't share chicken feet with anybody.
You are to the look.
Maotsi. Maotsi. Maotsi.
Hello, hello.
Hold him, honey.
Well, Chippy, my neighbor.
Nya, joke pa.
Hmm? He's gonna be mine.
Ginalit mo na ako yan.
Be mine. Well,
Later ka yan.
my neighbor.
Bantay ka na ko. Unya, joke ka. Suko na ko.
Get over here.
Suko na kay kuya. Nag-live pa ko. Di pa pwede masuko dire. Pero suko na kay ko. Galit na kayo sa mamiling. Pero nagka-live pa. Di pa pwede masuko. Ang ama ni Lian, hindi man din ito kumain ng mga ganitong pagkain. Grabe ka, Artie.
Why
Ano
laughing?
ba? Yung picky. Grabe siya ka-picky.
Come here. Hold my finger.
Pero yung husband ko, hindi siya
Hold my
picky.
finger. Come on. Hold my finger. Hmm? Hold my finger.
Hoy. Ani? Ani?
Yeah, okay.
That's not popular.
Okay.
Ah! This is not middle
I don't know what finger this is. It's not a finger. It's a foot.
Mommy. 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 Mommy.
This is not middle finger.
This is not
Mommy.
a
Mommy.
finger.
Mommy.
That's middle finger.
That's a foot.
That's not.
It's feet.
Oh, yeah, feet.
Mommy. Mommy.
You know what that means? Scoop.
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 Yeah, I know.
You sure?
Here, scoop.
Scoop. Show me.
Like this. I scoop this.
I gotta speak sign language. Loco.
Ikaw, loko-loko.
You're a loco.
Ngayon, loko-loko.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Just admit it.
You are?
Yeah.
How old are you though? Someone asked.
28.
28 bulang nga. Ano lang ang edad namin guys? 30 ko siya. Kalahati. Sa kalahati sa edad
I
ko.
don't tell my age.
Mas, ganun. Kalahati sa edad ko. 60 plus. Retired dito, retired. Sis, kaibog na po siya masoy. Oh, Lian, ako cellphone.
This is funny.
Gawa na halog na. Mabuak ko tawon na. Tinaw ko palit ani na. Hindi ko matabag sorry mabuak ng cellphone. Kaya ko palit ani.
Got it?
So, we're the one to wash the plate.
You want the money, you wash the place.
500.
Jeez.
Sis, Lian, han.
You can't mix vanilla and Cebu chicken feet.
Malapit na, malapit na maubos guys. Ako.
To become one.
Ah!
They're kissing.
Kissing mo.
No!
What is it?
Not that one.
This is the mama. Look at it.
Hi Dan. Hi, hello, Ate Frets. Shout out Ate Frets.
After who?
Ate Frets.
Fritz?
Yeah, hi Ate Frets.
Is she on the Fritz?
Yeah.
I think Fritz. Thanks. Cheers.
Briagon. Apa man eh.
Cheers.
There's 3 fingers. Live, love, and laugh.
Cheers.
Live, love, and laugh. Live, love, and laugh.
Ay, how old are you?
Cheers, cheers.
Ayun, ha? Lolo ko siya, guys. Lolo.
Cheers.
Na!
Don't do that.
Ikaw, Bol. Turo na kita. Kaya tayo, Ate Freds.
Go down to Fritz.
Ate
Invite her
Freds.
over.
She's my follower since before.
Invite her over.
Invite here?
Yeah.
Taga-usap ka, Ate Freds. invite ka niya Dan, oh. Yeah, ano talaga ito si Dan, guys? Ano bang, pag may bisita, ano talaga siya? Sa accommodation, accommodation, ano, ay!
Say it.
Ano, I'm so tired speaking English.
Don't speak Messiah.
Alam mo, abi-abihon, guys, ba? Nanakay siya, nanakay siya pagkatao.
Let's ba. Ba.
That's the expression, hani,
Ba.
Bisaya ba? Sa kondo kaya nakatiraling mura ba, kondo
Ba.
dyan? Oh, ano siya, hindi siya yung kondo dyan nga, rent to own. Ano siya, guys, condo hotel ba, condo hotel. Itong, punoy namin.
They're all about it.
Yeah, mahal na ngayon, lalo na mag-extend kami ng kontrata, din maglipat kami ng room. Parang 32,000 per month.
We're gonna contend for another 10
Yeah,
years.
32, yeah. 10 years na. Hindi ako paabot 10 years sana eh. I don't want to stay here for 10 years.
Okay.
Pero ano pa, pero ngayon, mura pa ngayon, 25,000 pero wala pa siya, not included sa mga electricity, water, mga bills, ganun guys ba, wala pa siya.
Tell them what we're paying. What's the-
Someone asked me how much the condo, honey.
Okay.
Nok, di ba? So, ayan. Ngayon, mura pa ngayon, 25,000 pero next, kontrata, ito na ngayon is maging 32,000 na to. Itong room namin. 32,000 then ang 2 bathroom like 33,000. So wala
Oh,
wala pang
Doing dishes.
you will do the dishes. You will
Maybe.
wash the plate.
Maybe.
Good. As usual.
Huh?
As usual. Kapag ang electricity din guys, maabot like sa sa yung friend ko dito. Ano lang electricity nila maabot ng 10,000 a month. Then ang water dito mura lang 500 per month. So yung room plus sa electricity, medyo talaga siya.
So what?
I think ang pinakamura na room dito is how much studio type here now? 27?
27. 28.
Yeah, ang studio type parang 27 na.
What up? I think it's 28.
Yeah. Yun lang pinakamura dito.
I don't know.
Mahal kasi dito kasi ano ba?
Too much.
Part sa malapit sa IT Park. May mahal ang cost of living.
We need to live in the
Pero maganda. Hmm? Si Ate Fred Sunny from Iligan City.
What?
She's from Iligan City.
I don't know where that is.
Iligan, yeah.
Is that Pala Ate?
Part in Mindanao, I think.
Is that Pala
Iligan,
Ate?
no?
Is that Pala Ate?
Cagayan. Parang Iligan, no? Part sa Mindanao?
Hell, I used to live in Cavite.
I don't know.
Cavite.
Cavite?
That's what.
That's from Luzon. I think Luzon. Part in Luzon.
That's right.
Sorry. Kahit from Philippines ako, hindi ko alam lahat ng mga lugar-lugar. Kawaw, ikaw ang tiil manok ka, lamian na eh. Yan. Di ay siya ganahan og balay. Ano, ganahan man. Sa ngayon, ayaw pa namin kasi, ayan, may plano naman kami ba? Gusto namin yung house and lot, pero gusto niya, kasi ngayon is sa city pa siya guys. And gusto ko naman is, kung permanent na talaga yung for good na magstay, gusto ko yung province, ayaw ko yung city ba? Yung may farmland, ganun. So, sa ngayon, temporary pa lang kami dito. Sa ngayon lang. Nag-extend lang kami ng kontrata. Ayaw din yan ng yung kondo na rent to own. Kaya, kasi may stress ka lang bayad ng bayad ba? Din, pag ayaw, alam niyo na ng ibang foreigner, pag ayaw na sa lugar, gusto nang umalis, mag-change na naman ng lugar, ganun ba? So, hinayaan ko muna siya. Kasi sa ngayon, nagustuhan pa man yan dito. Kasi malapit lahat. Convenient lahat. Malapit sa mall, sa church, sa gym niya.
Huh?
Oh, just watch there, don't be marites.
What?
There's some marites, honey. You know what marites?
Yeah, I know.
Oh. Yeah, over what is marites na? Dito siya ganun. This is Mindanao Ling. Puho natin prets, so makalagag Cebu. I'm done na niya.
I want you to take that.
I will not.
Wanna take that?
I'll not. Sorry, I will not share my ginamos to your friends.
Why?
Because it's only my ginamos.
Come on.
Yeah, you can buy for them.
Sharing is caring.
Yeah. This,
Share it.
this is only my ginamos.
No,
No.
share it.
Sharing is caring karon.
Share it. Share it. Share it.
Pamugas dia.
Look at the buffalo. Rhinos.
Wash, wash. Wash, wash, lolo. Ano ko yung masukaan eh. Katawagan ko siya lolo. Samok ka.
It is mine.
Samok ba?
My daddy.
Hani ba? Bagong. Bagay ta? Punch. Fighting. Ano ba?
Push on it. Push on it.
This way.
Sige, sulay ron. Hello, Sel. Lorenzana. Hello. Hi, Ate Sel. Nabutan din ni Danling. Is Ate Pretz. Siya na nanghugas. Basta, lalo na, kapag ako'y nagluto, guys, siya yung manghugas. Because I do the cooking, you do the washing. You do the cleaning. Lian, cleaning na Lian. Clean na. Kaya mag-wash daddy. Clean your toys na. Fix your toys na. Keep your toys.
So I keep it.
Samok ka.
Yes, sir.
Just concentrate doing your honey.
You want some? Have a sip?
So, all yours na.
Your lips are on the bar. I can't drink that.
You're so OA, but you kiss me. Yeah.
This is good.
You're so OA. Ang hugas pala to. Ikaw ba? Sumbagan mo, sumbagay kita.
Make sure you do the dishes.
Na, puyo. Wala pa rin. Oh, sa bagay, okay na rin yan.
Why?
Yeah.
Why?
Si Ate Andrea. Kasi ano ba, baka din punta kami sa US. Ganun ba? Parang ngayon is parang yung mga plano namin is hindi pa talaga fix. So kaya mag-rent muna. Lia, makakuha ng suga. Na! Pag i-fix na imong toys.
Leah, can you pick up this garbage here? Can you pick it up?
Mayo. O pa ka naburos. Nangandoy
Can you
maburos.
pick it up?
Wala pa yung naburos. Anakuan ko last time ba yung, alam nyo na, yung nakunan ko. Lisod ng kupapuan, guys.
I'm bringing the chicken pizza.
Lian ba? Hani?
I want to share it.
Nakunan ako, guys. Matagal man ako buntis talaga kasi yung sa, ano rin ni Lian, kasi parang nag-live-in kami sa ama niya, like 1 year nag-live-in, pero hindi ako nabuntis agad sa ama ni Lian. Parang, ano ko ba, dapat magpahilot, yun. Pero last time, nagpahilot ako, yun, pero na-stress, yun, ang pinganan, pag ako mabuntis ba, ang pinganan. Mag-friend pala tayo sa TikTok, yung Jo. Yeah! Na yung profile mo na friend tayo sa TikTok. Jojo. Wash. Wash ani habang. You can finish this. No. Magchikas ako honey. You do the cleaning. Because I do the chika.
No, we'll do it tomorrow.
Unya na habit. Tomorrow karon. No tomorrow.
Yeah. Tomorrow. Get up at 5 in the morning to do it.
Ako nga nabuntis ng muwi si Apam dito kuskon yung process ko ng US visa. Ah, congrats sis. Gamit nagliwat. Ganda yan maganda yan ang lahi. Finish that. May ano ba gender? Mas ako gusto ko magbuntis ulit.
Come sing your song.
Gusto ko babae yung
Come
anak.
sing your song, Woody.
Pero lalaki, okay lang, importante meron.
Let him sing a song. He wants to sing. Go ahead.
Sing.
Come on.
Sing na yun.
Sing. Hey, hey, oh, hey.
Sing ang yabag.
Go ahead. Uh-huh.
What's that, Lian?
What's
What's
the
the
title?
lyrics? What's the
It's
title?
rope dancing. Rope dancing.
Sa time ka, beep, beep. Ito, katahan. Sige, ito.
Wag.
Sa ito kang beep, beep. Katahan mo kanina.
Shiny up, honey up, honey crazy head. Walk, and the moment.
Are you done washing?
I'm watching him. No, wait, watch him. Want to watch him?
What
What are you doing? That's my drink.
Sorry. I thought it's empty.
Put my chicken feet in the drink.
I thought it's empty.
Keep the drinks in.
Ito ka ni Daddy, para mahugasan. Natin, ang imong baso. Give to Daddy.
What?
No!
What do that for?
Daddy. On to wash.
Ice everywhere.
On to wash.
Super bite ng bana muling and good looking pa. Ani! You are super bait. You are what super bait? Bait eh. You're good and you're good looking. Ew! Are you good looking? Ganahan. Ikilig ang tiyo ko. Ikilig ang tiyo ko.
Got him. I got him trained. We got him trained. Show it.
Ah! Si Daddy Arya. No, only Daddy. Not him, honey. Not him.
Why?
Because there's a glass. You're the one the glass and he's the one the plastic. Let him, Lian, let Daddy to wash the glass and Lian.
Oh, I
Mabuak.
wash the glass, not on me.
Na, only plastic ha. Si Daddy ra sa glass. Ikilig gapon si si Dansoy guys.
No, mommy.
Makalahi na green eyes. Yo, parang green eyes talaga yung ano mo no, Habi? Nakita ko sa TikTok, green eyes ya. Parang, honey, your color of your eyes.
Green.
Green? Let me see. Tarong bago. Sa bago. Tarong. Yeah, it's green.
Green.
Tito,
Green din sa kang Dan.
Look, your eyes in the place.
Green?
No, it's red. Red, Daddy.
Sa ama ni Lian, parang may pagka, ano man yun, pagka red, pagka,
Turquoise. Green.
parang iring, parang mata sa iring guys pa, parang pusa, mata sa pusa.
That is this color. They're this color.
Huy, kanang tabok, bongbong. Pungon
Are
eh.
you done?
Guys,
Done?
naka-search ko din ba sa apam ko kasi sobrang ganito ba, parang maano mo lang guys. Majok-jokan, ganun. Hindi siya strict.
Here.
Sus! Yung Pasko before, sobrang strict. Hindi ko maano, hindi majukan. Parang kinto ako guys ba? Parang magkinto ko ba? Dapat magkinto ko. Pansaya, prosaya. Magkinto ay. Careful, dude! Si Lian na ng hugas. But let Daddy to wash the glass, Lian, ha?
Yes.
What are you washing?
Ala. Thank you so much sa 50 stars. Thank you, Ate Andrea. Thank you. Someone sent me some stars, honey. What?
Charlie, do dishes.
Yeah.
We train him. We train him to clean.
That's why Mami Ling is more, na ano na,
Yeah. What do you
so
do?
lazy, more lazy because of Lian and
Me?
Dan. Ayan, kuhan pa siya. Ay, sis. Eh, honey. Mga problem isa. Rare ang green. Pure American pag ice. Parang hindi man, honey, are you pure American? Or half?
I'm American, Indian, and French.
You're American, Indian, and French? Parang hindi siya pure American talaga kasi parang, basta, yung Tardif?
Deep. It's a
Oh,
French name.
French name yung Tardif. Tardif kasi ako.
Her nose is so big.
Thank you so much sa sa stars mo, Ate Andrea. Si Lian na yung nahugas eh.
Her nose is flat.
Because of the accident.
French nose. Actually, like my big.
Ayan, hugas.
You like my
Lian,
big-
si Daddy hugas na hugas
you
na
like my
ha.
big nose. Do you?
And tomato nose.
Huh?
I have tomato nose.
What's up? What's up with all this? Huh?
I'm done.
You gonna rinse it?
Yes.
I hope so.
Kaswerte ko guys, di ba?
I'll do this. I'll do the rest. No, she doesn't want you to do the glass. I'll do this. So rinse these. Rinse.
Kaswerte ko ba, may manghugas. Si Lian, siya na yung manghugas. Then, pag si Dan, then, ako wala na. Wala nang trabaho.
Rinse this and I'll do the rest. Rinse these. Rinse it.
Naway ng dua guys.
Daddy, step it. Go me now. Go me, go me.
Ow. Don't hit me. Oh, wash your face.
Ay! Nag-away naman mo. Honey, Lian!
Stab me.
Isapit na. Lian! Isap na, honey. Let him there, honey.
He's stabbing me.
Lian! Ay, sukol dali ha. Kasi ka na ko ron. Let him, honey.
He
Gaway.
needs anger management. He does. Look at him. He's
Let him. Hinayi ang tubig, Lian.
What are you lying?
Ay, hinayi god. English eh. Why hinayi ka ron?
Ugh, I gotta drink more Red Horse.
That's not red horse.
Yeah.
That's red horse?
No.
It's lemon. Don't drink red horse. You have kidney stone.
Yeah.
Kailangan ko na mag-behave guys kasi may nanonood na taga uncle niya. Sometimes ba guys, yung mag-post ako, yung ano ko na mga, mailang ako kasi nanonood, yung mama niya, yung kapatid niya, yung mga relatives niya ba, manonood sa akin.
Are you done?
Pero,
Really?
mailang ako, hindi ako, basta,
Don't wash those. They're clean already. Please rewash. Can I give you a hand? Good job. Good job. Good job.
how about me honey, and good job.
Sometimes. You're my sunshine. You're my
Sus,
gift from
uwi.
God. You're the love of my life. You're my gun. You're the apple. You're.
No, hey, nasumod na honey.
Huh?
I'm used to it. Lian, humana kaghugas diyan. Humana man naghugas na uban, nak imong gibalik kag hugas.
You try to take the battery out first. Hold on.
Lian tot. Humana na hugas ng uban, yung mana pong gihugasan. Kag grabe mo kabuutan. Sa limpyo na, pilog hugas.
What's
Tapos na yung hinugasan, linis na, hinugasan mo ulit.
What is it?
809.
Yeah, they have a daylight savings time thing.
Ayan, kamtin.
No, maybe it's 809 now. I think it went back. I don't know. No, it's 8. It's I don't know. I don't follow the time in my country. I just know it's 5 o'clock somewhere. It's 5 o'clock somewhere.
Florida is basically not a work state. Maybe some of areas in Florida, but
Some
in
areas,
Orlando,
yeah.
Miami,
Some
tapos
areas, of course.
Palm Beach, rich na. You are from Palm Beach, yeah? Oh. Then, ano talaga siya ba? Sabi ko naman to na yung mama niya doon is may-ari ng resort, like malapit, may dagat talaga guys pa, beach, beach. Ano ba sa resort? Beach.
What?
Parent din siya doon, yung mama niya. Your mom's near beach or included the beach?
It's not a private beach.
Ah, private beach. Own siya,
Ocean Ridge.
sa Palm Beach. Basta ganun. Minimize the hampak-hampak if na ay nananaw kapamilya kasi baka sabihin sakitan yung banat.
Yeah, makes it good.
Yeah, takto.
Yeah.
Thank you sa tambag. Hampak-hampak. Lagi basta mailang ako guys mag-live, ganito kasi lalo na manood yung relatives niya doon, yung mama niya. Basta kanya kami lang dito, okay lang pero thank you sa paalala. Thank you sa paalala.
Look at it. You're doing a good job. Let them finish.
US Navy. Ano siya ate? US Navy. Uy.
Come, nuclear submarine.
Submarine? Huh? Ah, you are submarine.
Blair Twisted nuclear submarine. SSBN 659 gold.
So you are the police under the water? Submarine, you are submarine? For the... Oh, wait.
Long time psychological damage to be under the water. 3 months. 3 months underwater.
Really? 3 months under... You are under the water within 3 months?
Yeah.
That's why now you are like nang gamit na igam. Ay pag gara.
Knock it off. Fix the brain cells.
That's why your princess knows.
Well,
You lost your some brain cells.
you gotta breathe other people's breath.
Yes, Mami Ling. Sa ato, okay ra, joke lang. Ato, pero ito na sa ilang, okay ra. Reminder lang, Sisi. Thank you, Ate Chona. Thank you sa pa-reminders. Takto ka. Okay, para sa ila, parang ano ba, seryoso ba sila din. Sa ato, nasanay naman ta namang hampak nga, ano ba? Baka sa ila, ano na, i-abuse ko na yung anak nila dito. Ano ba yung mama niya? Matanda na.
You make 11.
How old your mom?
87?
87? You're not sure of the age of your mom?
I don't know. She's an old fart.
Huh?
She's an old fart.
What?
She's old.
Old? How about you?
She's younger than 100. She's not, older than 100. She's not 100 yet.
Yeah, 87. Mga mataas pala ng ano tong mga puti ba guys, mataas ang buhay. Yung maabot sila ng ganong edad, mga like 90, like 90 plus. Ako iwan kung makaabot ba ako na edad na ganyan. So, grabe na yung UTI. Ihi nagdugo. Mga afam din miss.
That's a woman.
Yeah, for your kidney stone. Kaya ay, bati jud ha kay na dilisod nang may kidney stone.
It's a natural-
Mayroon kasi siyang kidney stone. Mostly mga afam dito, mga retired na. Mga 70, meron ng 68, like 68 plus din. Meron ng 70, 72, ganun ba. Pero makita mo sila guys, parang mga abtik pa man. Mga, ano ba sila? Basta mga abtik pa kahit may mga edad na sila, mga afam, mga abtikon. Itong husband ko, wala tong anak. No! So ba, pag ikit na imong toys, oh, wala siyang anak, kaya gusto niya magkaanak. Kung hindi siya magkaanak, si Lian, yung anak niya. I-adapt, gusto niya i-adapt guys. Para same talaga ng family name ko ba kasi. Ang family name ni Lian ngayon is family name sa kanyang ama. Ikaw anak. Uli na. Excited ako sa anak mo, Ate Andrea. I'm sure, pag babae yan, sobrang ganda niyan. Miss Universe. Pila na i-gap ninyo sa iyong husband? 32? 32 years? Among gap?
32 what?
Our age gap, honey.
I don't know.
30? Parang ganun.
Is that a problem?
It's not a problem, honey. Age doesn't matter for me. Kasi money matter. Choke! No. Because money matter. No. Ang importante sa akin, guys, is still, pagtrato niya sa amin ni Lian. Nalato kaming tama. Nahugas ng pinggan. Ganun ba? Hindi dapat yung tayo yung mag-ano sa... May ano kasi ako, guys. May ate din ako ba na. Parang, ayaw niya akong mag-asawa ng may edad na kasi baka ako daw mag-alaga, ako mag-ganon. Siyempre, sa ama ni Lian, bata pa yun. Manghod ko pa, ano ko pa. Tres, mas matanda pa ako ng Tres. Ako nga yung nag-ano pa rin, nag-asikaso ako pa. Kulang lang hungitan. Kulang lang subuan. Pero ito yung husband ko, siya lahat, guys. Magluto ako. Pero yung manghugas, ganun. Every morning siya yung magluto, mag-prepare, lahat. Gumising lang. Speak English? I will wake up early in the morning and just eat and sleep and eat and take shower. So, I don't want to take care of Lian and cooking breakfast. Kapuyag English honey.
I don't cook.
So, hindi siya sa ano. 32 yung age gap namin. Excited na yung sa akin na wala pag yung tupakin niya. Ayaw niya. Ako may stress.
My cook is
Yeah, ganun talaga. Pag may ganyang mga afam ba pag may mabuntis na yung asawa nila, maiba yung pagtrato nila, yung kasi matakot sa may stress ka ganun. Akong anak, I love you too. Love you. Good night sa atong followers oh.
nice, sweet dream. Nice, sweet dream.
Thanks for watching. Ate Andrea, thanks for the 50 stars.
You bring us joy.
Stop it now. No.
Honey ba?